Hey, what's up guys, it's Emmy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this easy eyeshadow look using the James Charles Morphe palette, and if you want to see how to do it, just keep on watching. So I've already done my eyebrows and carved them out and prepped my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to use the shade code James and use this as a transition shade in my crease. I'm going to use the shade No Beans and use this to add some depth to my crease. Now I'm going to take the shades Boutique and Benny. I'm going to use these to further deepen my crease. Now I'm going to take Benny by itself and use this for extra depth. Now I'm going to take the shade Wig and I'm going to be applying this to my eyelids with my finger. Now I'm going to do my base off camera. I'm going to take the shade Boutique again and I'm going to put in this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Benny again, put this even closer to my lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Face and I'm going to be putting this in my inner corners. Now I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit and use this to bronze up my face. Now I'm going to take this Latte London blush, and I'm not sure what color this is because it literally says absolutely nothing on the back, but I'm just going to use this. Now I'm going to take the shade Face again and use this for my highlight. Well, that's one way to put on mascara. For lips, I'm going to be taking the Ciate London Glitter Lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video. If you want to see more makeup tutorials using the James Charles palette, comment down below any video suggestions, things you want to see from me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!